Happy New Year! Here we are at First Chiropractic, and we're starting off the new year right. I'm holding here today in front of me a pound of fat. I like to just kind of have you check out how big that is. You know, you can imagine just losing 1 pound would actually make such a big difference. Imagine what losing 5 of those would be like. So we're doing a challenge. It's a 30-day challenge. Those of you who've done 30-day challenge with us before, it's get back on the advanced plan. And we've had several of you already sign up. Actually, on this video, if you want to comment at the bottom, I'm in, we'll get you signed up. What we're going to do is give you video feeds on Facebook and just give you encouragement. We know that everything that we do better when we tell somebody else we're going to do it too. So grab a friend, do the challenge with us. And then at the end of the 30-day challenge, we have an awesome class coming up in February. So we'll be able to look forward to that, and we'll be well prepared and well on our way for a new you for the new year. Monday is going to be the weigh-in, so make sure you stop by the office. We're going to get on the Tanita scale. So on the Tanita scale, you'll actually be able to tell exactly what your percent body fat is, as well as what your percent muscle mass is. So it's not just a conversation of pounds, but it's a conversation of being lean and having a healthy body. The other thing that's kind of cool is that Tanita scale also tells you how old your body actually is in weight. So, I mean, in years. And so knowing how old you are is also enlightening, because you'll be younger when you get healthier. So come join us, tag us on the bottom, and come and weigh in and do the 30-day challenge.